What's good, you guys? Welcome back for another video. My name is Valentine, and today I'm going to be making my very first ofrenda. So, first things first, if you don't know what an ofrenda is, it's basically an altar for your dead loved ones who've passed. And specifically around Dia de los Muertos is normally when you want to set this up. So, Dia de los Muertos is basically dedicated again to the people who've passed, but it's in remembrance of them. And it's not like you're making an altar to worship the people that passed away. No, creating an altar is just to show kind of like a gravesite. You create a gravesite so you can go there and leave flowers and visit. Well, to us in my culture, remembrance of people that you loved or your friends loved or anything like that, it's special. It's a lot more special in our culture to always remember the people we've grown with and the people that we loved. And so today, I'm really excited to make my very first ofrenda, and you guys can just sit back and watch me. You guys can just sit back and enjoy watching me create my very first ofrenda. So, to create an ofrenda, you're gonna need paints, maybe glue, I don't know. I also got some brushes. These are all the colors I want to use that I enjoy. I also have a tarp. This is what it's gonna sit on, or what I might put all the little dishes on. But I got this pattern. I think it's very pretty, very lovely. I got it off Amazon. Then I got these cute little flags that I'm gonna also hang across it. Cute little flags. These have like cute little fun designs on them. I wasn't honestly expecting them to be this big. This is like I'm gonna hang it across my wall, but I'm gonna try and make it work. And yeah, so I have the little flags. And then of course, I have the pieces for my ofrenda. Now let's put this together. You okay with me? Calm down. Let me slide this over this way a little bit. I'm so excited to do one of these. If you've ever seen the movie Coco, it's kind of explained a little bit about it. I did purchase this ofrenda on Amazon. So if you want to start your own and create your own family traditions, if you're Yumi, are you okay? I got this ofrenda off Amazon as well. If you're Mexican wanting to really get in touch with your roots, I would suggest doing some research on what this day means and take the information as you will, but creating an altar is so beautiful. So I'm so excited to do this. Let's get this cracking. I got the beautiful instructions. I'm pretty good at building things. I built quite a bit of furniture in this house. Yes, I have. Ooh. I have all the pieces I need. Then I'm gonna use these on this side. Look how cute the pattern is. So cute. It looks like this. I miss doing YouTube, you guys. It was really fun when I was doing it, but things just got way too out of hand. And unfortunately, the internet is a weird place to be on. But I also do not mind being on the internet. So it's really like this. Gotcha. I see why they make you do it upside down first, so you can get the base going. So here's the first altar. This is what it looks like. But yeah, the internet got just way too toxic, and I really don't like problems. I don't like drama. I'm a naturally very anxious person, so I kind of had to tell myself to not care, because people won't ever understand anything from any perspective that they don't want to hear. So, because I'm not saying anything that anyone wants to hear, unfortunately, that's where toxicity comes in. But it's better if everyone just lets people be. Unfortunately, we can't always control everything in life. You just have to kind of roll with the punches. But that's where staying positive comes in. Always gotta keep that positive mindset that everything's gonna be okay, and you just gotta let God handle it. But yeah, I needed that little break anyways to just clear my mind and get my ideas back together. I miss being an artistic person also. I've been doing a lot off camera, so I want to give you guys a formal apology for not having the most energy in Chino's videos. I do wake up early. It's barely 9:30, but I got up at 7 o'clock this morning. Chino's still asleep because, again, he streams really late. But I get my days started pretty early. And yeah, I just don't always have the most energy. So sorry if I ever give the impression that I wasn't in love with my boyfriend or that something was wrong. There's nothing wrong. I'm just very exhausted. I do a lot throughout my days, and it's not always with Chino. So, you know, we do have our own separate lives from each other. Respectfully, of course. But I try my best, and then sometimes I just get drained easily. I'm a very tiny person, so there's only so much that I could really, like, how much energy I can have, you know? It's not easy being cheesy. Sorry, I don't know why I said that. Anyways. But yeah, I miss being really creative. I want to do more art stuff and like cool, dope projects. Jesus, dude, how do I get it in there when I'm supposed to? Not try and break this altar either. But I'm also really loving learning more about my culture and my background. I feel like it sucks when like people let traditions die. When I get this together, I'll turn this back on. And I finally got it built. I accidentally cut that off by accident when I pushed it down because it was hard to get in there, but I glued it back on. But this is what it's looking like. Now it's time to paint it. So I think I've discovered the technique. I made my first layer this turquoise color. I'm gonna make this second layer pink, but I've been using this sponge to like move it because I was using my tiny little brush at first, but it's just not getting the job done in time. So I have to use this big brush. If you guys have any questions for me, like regarding my culture or Mexican beliefs and all that, like ask them. I'm down to always answer questions. If you really want to learn, like it's always important to try your best to understand other people's cultures, you know, as well as your own. I can't wait to share this with my kids one day, dude. I was just talking to my mom on the phone too, and I showed her my little altar so far, and she thought it was so cute because I had it built finally. And then when I take it down, I found a way that I could remember what piece goes to where. I'm coloring the top parts of where like the things connect. So when I put it together, it'll be easy to just follow the colors. You know what culture I really wonder about? Jewish culture. Like what kind of, is anyone that follows me Jewish? What kind of stuff do you guys do? Like, do you guys have specific holidays for yourself? I know that there must be, but you know, that's why I ask, because I just want to be more aware of everything. And just to learn a little bit more about you guys and your beliefs and your cultures. Share some Share some things that you guys do in your culture down below. I feel like if you're gonna make one of these, the best way to do it is paint the pieces first, let them dry, then try and stick them together. It'll save you a lot of time. That would be my first bit of advice. Wow, this is looking so cute. You guys, it's 11:19. This is what I got done so far. I'm gonna finish this up when I get back from my niece's birthday. Okay, you guys, today is the next day. I didn't get to make my ofrenda in time for Dia de los Muertos. Dia de los Muertos was technically last night. And I finished my ofrenda this morning, bro. I woke up crying because I was so sad that I didn't get to set up my grandma's stuff and all that. And this is like how it turned out. All the colors. And then this is my grandma. This is her perfume that she used to wear. And I was gonna put this and like that on here. And I want to make it really special this year, but I didn't get to set mine up. I ended up going to my cousin's house for a Dia de los Muertos party after my niece's birthday. And then, oh my God, sorry. And then, stick in there, damn it. Oh my God, fuck it, it's just gonna be out. Anyway, so, I'm gonna get some scissors and just cut it off. Yeah, the party was fun. Everything was good. Now today I have to clean up and all that, but I'm really excited to start my own traditions with my family. So next year I'll be more prepared because I also have little like ornaments and such and like little skeleton people and all that are gonna arrive at the end of this month. So that sucks, but I'll be ready for next year. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make my first ofrenda. Again, if you're Hispanic and you want to do your own, you can buy it on Amazon. You can build it at a wood workshop or something. But yeah, this was my experience, and hopefully next year I'll get to actually set it up and you guys will see me set it up. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. How do you guys? As soon as I got done making my ofrenda, I just started praying so much, and I just miss my grandma so much, bro. Like, oh my God, it's so hard. It's so hard. And I'm just a really emotional person, you know, like I don't mean to cry or anything like that. These are just parts of me that I like to share with you guys because it's like, these are the moments where I'm the most vulnerable. And it's like, family is a big deal to me, you know, family means so much to me. And I just miss her so much, especially around like Halloween and Dia de los Muertos time. Like I miss her so much. It just sucks. So if it always gets a little hard for you, just know that it's okay to be vulnerable and it's okay to cry and it's okay to miss the people that you miss. Gentle on yourself and just pray. When you miss them, pray. Always remember them. Oh, fuck, bro, my heart hurts so much. It feels like I just found the news out. She just looks so beautiful. And she was just so great. And I'm sorry for anyone that's lost anybody and knows the kind of pain that you feel like when you lose somebody. I'm so sorry. And I know they miss you too. I know they miss you too, so keep your head up. The way they taught you to be strong, please be kind, because you just never know what people are going through.
Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에도 넌 겨울. Yeah, yeah. 너와 있을 때 I swear. 제가 먼저 zero 폭설한 그 children. 꿈에도 I wasn't aware. 나만 빼고 넌 모두에게 참 친절해.